Peach, what have we got on, bro?
We got a Barra, bro. Grubby's hooked it. Oh.
I would hold you in my arms and you would say to me, yeah. As you rub your body, you would say to me.
Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're out in our new boat. On the weekend, Eli and I headed up to Rocky and we picked it up, but we're just out here to Savo. Just testing it out, sussing everything out and going for a bit of a fish. We haven't been up here for a while, so hopefully we bang a jack or something. So Eli's just going to put the drone up, we're going to steam up to another spot, but let's get into it,
Peach, what have we got on, bro?
We got a Barra, bro. Grubby's hooked it. Oh, you're off. I'm ready. You're up there.
Where are ya?
We're just over here. Just stay there. You're good. Oh, yeah, go.
Did it fucking jump?
Yeah, jump.
Oh.
Oh, I see.
Peach, just chill on the net. Chill. Fuck me. Oh shit.
Get it. Yes! Yes, Grubby! Fuck yeah, brother! Work, bro!
Oh. Yes!
Fuck yes, bro!
Noosa Barra!
Fuck yeah!
Holy!
My boy!